In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy or duplicate slides in Google Slides. If you're familiar with Google Slides, you probably know it's a great tool for creating presentations online. Whether you're working on a group project, a business proposal, or just a personal project, it's always handy to know how to efficiently manage your slides. One efficient way to handle repetitive tasks is by duplicating slides, which can save you a lot of time and effort. So, let's dive in and get started. The first task you want to tackle is opening your Google Slides presentation. If you haven't already done so, simply go to your Google Drive and open the presentation you wish to edit. If you get lost, just type Google Slides into your browser and navigate to your existing presentations from there. Once your presentation is open, take a moment to scroll through and find the slide you want to copy. Now here's a tip. Make sure you've selected the right slide by clicking on it in the slide pane on the left side of your screen. You'll know it's selected because it will be highlighted. Once you have your slide selected, you're ready to duplicate it. To duplicate, you'll want to right-click directly on the slide that you have selected. A drop-down menu will appear offering several options. Look for the option that says Duplicate Slide. Go ahead and click on that. What happens next is that an exact copy of your selected slide will appear right below the original one in the slide pane. Easy, right? Here's another handy tip. You can also use some keyboard shortcuts to make this process even quicker. If you're on a Windows PC, simply press Ctrl+D. For Mac users, press Command+D. This will duplicate your selected slide instantly, saving even more time. Once you've duplicated your slide, you might want to drag and drop it to reorder it within your presentation. Simply click and hold your new slide, then drag it up or down to where it fits best within your presentation sequence. And that's it. You've just learned how to effortlessly copy or duplicate slides in Google Slides. Remember, this can make your life so much easier when you're dealing with similar layouts or content across multiple slides, allowing more time for creativity and less worry about logistics. Try to experiment with these techniques in your next project, and you'll see how much smoother your workflow becomes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks to streamline your digital presentations. See you next time.